Hi, my name is McKenna Frankie, and today I'm going to show you how to use an espresso machine at home. Your ingredients you'll need is milk, espresso, and your personal kind of flavor, whichever you would like. So first, I'm going to set this down. You'll start out with your milk. You'll want to pour your milk into your steaming pitcher. And then you'll use this wand right here to steam your milk. You want to make sure that all the milk particles are cleaned out of your steaming wand first. So we'll do a little test run. Okay. Next, we will steam our milk. You want to make sure to hold it at a kind of a angle so that you'll get the perfect kind of little foam on top. And you want it to hear a little paper ripping sound, and make sure that you're getting the perfect amount of foam on top. And then you just let it sit there for a couple of seconds so that it'll warm up your milk. And I like to feel the cup just to see how hot my milk is getting and if it's going to be too hot or too cold. Turn off your switch. And if your steaming wand looks like it does right here, then that means you've got the right amount of foam in your milk. Okay. I'm going to clean off the wand so that no milk particles get stuck in it. Now it is time to brew some espresso. You want to get this scoop to be able to scoop out your espresso and not have too much, not have too little. So I've got espresso. I'm going to put it in the espresso holder. And you want to make sure to pack it down so that you don't have too much water in your espresso and that you have the right amount get into the espresso holder. And make sure you pack it down really tight. Okay, then you put your espresso holder into its position. Make sure that it's locked in. And you get your little espresso catcher. And you turn the knob so that it runs for about 10 to 12 seconds. Okay, once your espresso is done pulling, you'll put it into a cup, and this is what your results should look like. There's espresso on the bottom, mixed with a little milk, and then you got that little layer of foam on top. And then make sure that your espresso bar is clean afterwards so that you don't have any mistakes after.